Peekaboo! Hello! Woo! Welcome back to my Caliente kitchen. Well, this is not my kitchen. I took my kitchen on the road. Anyhow, I am in Lake Tahoe, California, and I'm telling you, it's hot, 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 caliente, caliente, caliente. I had a chance yesterday to go swimming in this beautiful lake. Oh, the water was extremely cold, but it was so refreshing. And the best thing, it looked so blue. It was beautiful. Anyhow, so because it's summertime, I have a delicious recipe for you, a summer recipe. It's called paletas. Paletas are fruit popsicles, but I'm going to show you how to make paletas in the Latino way. Popsicles in the Latino way. So as you know, I am one of the ambassadors in action for the Produce for Better Health Foundation, and we love to promote more fruits and vegetables of all kinds. And because the summertime, where the theme now is frozen, not forgotten. How are you cooling down this summer? If you're not using frozen fruits and vegetables, you're doing it all wrong. That's right. All right, so I'm super excited today because paletas is something that I grew up with, and they're fruit popsicles. And why are they Latino? Because we use lots of fruits. And again, because it's summertime, we're gonna use frozen fruit. And all right, are you ready for them? Let's start now. So basically, here is the equation of how to make a paleta. Fairly easy. We're gonna start with where you need a mold, right? But if you don't have molds, you can use glasses like that, where then you can stick your popsicle stick easy. Or now, what goes in the recipe, how you make the actual paleta, where we're gonna use your fruit of choice. Now, frozen fruit of choice, that could be berries, mango, or cherries, which I use this time, is quite nice. And then you need to choose your liquid of choice. Now, either yogurt, milk, fruit juice, 100% fruit juice, either orange, apple, cranberry, pomegranate juice, whatever you like, even water if you need to. And then the sweetener of choice. For me, I'm using honey. And but you can use agave, real sugar, granulated sugar, whatever you like to use. And anyhow, so then you just blend it all and put it in the molds. But I'm going to show you today, I had this idea to make a frozen cherry dark chocolate chip paleta. Yes. So let's start. Are you ready? Let's do it. All right. So we got a beautiful blender here. I found this vintage blender in the cabin that I'm staying. Actually, I was a little worried about the blender, but actually it's doing the job. So we're gonna pour here. I have a frozen cherries that I already blended before. Have more frozen cherries here. All right. And then this was made with water, by the way. We're gonna add some honey. Maybe 2-3 tablespoons, depending on how sweet you like your paletas. And then we just blend. All right. I'm telling you, the blender is doing the job. All right. So since I'm using dark chocolate chips, I'm gonna actually pour a few at the beginning. There you go. And then pour some liquid. All right, there you go. Then we pour a little more because you want them to be throughout. And then put a little more. And then you're gonna cover these with, I'm using this beautiful mold that I bought. And you freeze these for about 4 to 5 hours or overnight. Now, let me show you the different paletas that I made. So this I got, this was made with actually frozen pomegranate, and orange juice. That's it, frozen pomegranate, orange juice. Then obviously this is the one we just made, the dark chocolate chip cherry, frozen cherry paletas. And then of course one of my favorites is this frozen banana strawberry with Greek yogurt and milk paletas, and with honey as well. All right, so now that we have this paletas, well, let's taste one. Wow, so refreshing and so nutritious because I'm using 100% fruit. Now, so I hope you make your own paletas, your own popsicles. Remember, using frozen fruit, fruit of choice, sweetener, and blender, and that's it. Super easy. Your children can make these. And again, remember, I'm trying to inspire you so you can make any combinations you like and have fun with it. That's all you need to do. So I'm gonna actually have more. I'm gonna go back to the lake now. So I am in social media throughout YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, in both languages, English and Spanish. If you're watching me on Facebook, share this love, share the popsicle love, eat more fruits and vegetables because they make you happy and they're good for you. And until next time, my friends, bye bye now.